Hello everyone, welcome to this episode's video. Today, we will discuss two very important tools in the field of electronic measurement, data acquisition system and multimeters. They are both valuable tools for electrical engineers, but what sets these two instruments apart? Next, I will compare functionality, performance, and practical applications one by one to help everyone clearly understand the differences between them. The multimeter is simple and flexible, focusing on measuring basic electrical parameters such as voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. It processes analog electrical signals, including DC and AC. For example, when measuring an AC voltage, we use the measurement of AC power here, and the multimeter can accurately provide the result. Data acquisition system can measure various types of signals, such as voltage, current, temperature, and pressure, whether it's analog signals, digital signals, or sensor signals like thermocouples or strain gauges. It can effectively capture them. For example, in industrial production, it can monitor both the temperature and current of a machine simultaneously, providing a comprehensive understanding of the equipment's operational status. Most multimeters are designed with single-channel or dual-channel configurations, with only a few high-end models supporting multi-channel measurements, and during measurement, it can only perform single-point operations. The data acquisition system is equipped with multiple channels, ranging from a few to hundreds of channels, and supports synchronized sampling across multiple channels to ensure time consistency. Take motor operation monitoring as an example. It can simultaneously record the phase relationships of the motor's three-phase voltage or current. The storage capacity of a multimeter is limited, typically able to record only a few data points. Its primary function is to display basic numerical values, with the results directly shown on the screen, almost devoid of data processing and analysis capabilities. While some high-end models support simple recording functions, the overall functionality remains relatively weak. The data acquisition system features high-capacity storage that meets the needs for long-term data recording and supports various analyses through software, such as FFT, filtering, and statistics, and it typically requires a connection to a PC or related software for control and data processing. For example, in environmental monitoring work, it can import 1 week's worth of temperature and humidity data into Excel, facilitating in-depth analysis of environmental changes. The data acquisition system page provides an intuitive view of the data trend chart. Multimeters come in handheld and desktop designs, making them easy to carry. They can quickly diagnose circuit faults during equipment maintenance and serve as a reliable tool for electricians. In school laboratories, multimeters are also commonly used for verifying basic circuit parameters. The data acquisition system are typically installed fixedly or used in conjunction with computers, mainly applied in industrial monitoring. It ensures the stable operation of production processes with multiple parameters. It can synchronize data from multiple sensors. Such as wind tunnel tests, providing comprehensive and accurate data support for research projects. In long-term recording scenarios, such as continuous monitoring of temperature and humidity at meteorological stations, data acquisition systems also play an irreplaceable role. Multimeters are relatively inexpensive, typically ranging from a few dozen to several thousand yuan, are easy to operate, feature plug-and-play functionality, and can be used without complex setup requirements. The price of data collectors is higher, ranging from several thousand to several hundred thousand yuan depending on the number of channels and performance. When using them, sensor configuration, software setup, and parameter adjustments are required, necessitating a high level of professional knowledge and skills. Summary: how do you choose between these two instruments? If you need to quickly measure basic electrical parameters such as voltage, current, and resistance, and have high requirements for equipment portability, like electrical maintenance or student experiments, multimeter is a more suitable choice. And when you need to monitor multiple sensor signals simultaneously, record their dynamic changes, or perform long-term data recording, such as in industrial automation control or research experiments, data acquisition systems are the best solution. Simply put, A multimeter is like a single-point snapshot of a measurement object, capturing basic data at a single moment, whereas a data collector is like a panoramic video, capable of comprehensively and dynamically recording various information during the measurement process. I hope today's sharing helps everyone choose tools that suit them better. See you next time.